Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and on this video I'm going to be talking about an indicator called Bollinger plus RSI double strategy, and the indicator is by Part8. You can find it over here at the community script and click on the top icon over there. So let's quickly add it to the indicator. Okay guys, so this is basically the indicator, and I want to tell you how it works, give you insight of what the indicator is about and how it works. And as you can see, this indicator is basically a Bollinger Band, but it is a different kind of Bollinger Band that works with RSI. So it is not only it does not calculate the price with just two standard deviation. That's, you have your let's say the normal Bollinger Band works with just one moving average at the middle. That's if you have 20 moving average, then the two other lines are just two deviations from the middle, or you can have 3, you can have 1.5 deviations from the middle. But this one works differently. Okay, so we can say it's better now. This one works with the RSI to determine overbought and oversold level. Like you can see that, yeah, at this point you get a notification, yeah, that it is oversold when you have it at the bottom area. And if you get this kind of notification at the top area, that means it is overbought. So it is, you get a notification with this to know that this is overbought and this is oversold. So, and as you can see at this point over here, it started moving upwards. The market changed directions. So let me look for another example. And this is easy to use. This is easy to use because you just go through your notifications. Don't need to really stress yourself on the market. Let's find another one. And also, you can also enter a trade when the market has crossed over the top line of your Bollinger Band RSI strategy. You can also enter a trade right here. You use it as a Bollinger Band, so you can enter when it come out, then crosses below the upper line again, then you just enter in this candle right here, this red candle, and you can see that the market can go down from there. So that's another way to use this. You can enter your trade right here, And as you can see, the market went down but started pulling upward, back, started moving up, as you can see right there. So that could be another way to use this. And guys, before you enter a trade, make sure that you check everything necessary and make sure you are in a trend. Okay, I've seen another good example. As you can see, we got a notification right here. We got a notification right here that, yeah, the market is going to reverse at this point. That the market is going to reverse downward. So we can see what the market did over here. As you can see, so the market reversed before turning back up to the normal trend. Okay guys, that's how to use this indicator. That's all for now, and if you like this video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post another video. My name is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and bye for now.